Yes.
Hey guys, we're at Devon House, Jamaica, getting ready to enjoy some bakery.
You can guess it.
You know how we do it. It's a beautiful day. Kingston not so hot today, thank God. We're going to a place called Pimentos.